Would you start preparing for rain? If there were no clouds in the sky, Noah was told a flood was coming. But at that time, there was no rain, no storm, no visible sign. Just a command from God that sounded impossible. Obedience doesn't wait for evidence. Faith moves before proof. Noah didn't build because he saw rain. He built because he trusted God. Day after day, plank by plank, he built the ark while others likely questioned him. He prepared in dry seasons for a storm no one else believed in. What is God asking you to build right now? Even if you don't see results yet. Sometimes protection starts with obedience before the rain.